With the development of the times, Kama Automobile has achieved continuous breakthrough over the past 30 years. Kama keeps developing forward by the strong support of central enterprises and leading the new development pattern of commercial vehicle industry. Kama Motor Ganzhou branch is located in Ganzhou City, Jiangxi Province, where the Pearl River Delta and the Ming Delta are developing towards inland cities into radio. Kama Motor Ganzhou branch covers an area of 600,000 square meters with a total investment of 1.51 billion RMB. Its construction started in March 2017, and the mass production ceremony was held on August 6, 2019. Ganzhou production base was completed and put into operation, filling the gap in the production of commercial vehicles in the southern region of Jiangxi Province. Kama Motor Ganzhou branch focuses on the research and development of light commercial vehicles. Its main products include mini trucks, light trucks, enclosed logistics vehicles, light buses and other models of Kama brand called Ruijie and Junhang series. Their power types range from pure electric, gasoline to CNG. Kama's products are sold to more than 30 provincial administrative areas across China and have built up a good relationship with customers by providing high-quality products and perfect service. With the development of Ganzhou branch, Kama Automobile has formed the coordinated development of two vehicle production bases in the north and the south, as well as radiation national market powered by the two-wheel dual-drive force of Shandong and Jiangxi. Kama Motor Ganzhou branch has strong management and technical strength, brought together a group of experienced vehicle-building technical team, steadily moving forward in innovation and exploration, constantly expanding the scientific and technological content of vehicle production and bringing more competitive products to the market. The company has advanced production equipment and technology, with 5 production workshops covering the vital processes, including stamping and welding workshop, painting workshop, assembly workshop, frame and cargo box workshop, testing workshop. All of the products have passed the 3C ISO 9001 and have also passed the European CE certification. In accordance with the development goals of green manufacturing, intelligent manufacturing, high-tech manufacturing, Kama Motor Ganzhou branch regards the international level as the benchmark, introduces international leading production technology and advanced equipment. Meanwhile, integrates domestic high-quality supplier resources to improve product quality, so the process level is in a leading position in China. In the welding workshop, production line automatic equipment using steel plate precision forming creates solid frames for the vehicles. The main welding line realizes fully automated production. The detection rate of key points reaches 100%. And the manufacturing accuracy is greatly improved. Painting workshop, designed by the stratified zoning, uses automatic skid conveyance system, an electrostatic spray gun robot, and automatic water-based spraying line to ensure the consistency of products, both internal and external, and to make them durable and anti-corrosion. In the assembly workshop, the production line achieves integrated, automated, informatized production. The production equipment is more intelligent and the process control is more refined. The testing workshop. The standard of testing process is higher than the industry standard, and the quality is strictly controlled to ensure that each vehicle achieves the best performance before leaving the factory. Kama Motor Ganzhou branch fully integrates the advantages of local resources, adheres to the mode of cooperating with other vehicle manufacturers. On the one hand, Ganzhou branch strives for perfection, continuously optimizes product quality, and delivers orders in time under the premise of ensuring quality. On the other hand, Ganzhou branch develops together by drawing on our strengths to complement each other. At the same time, Ganzhou branch actively expands the overseas market, developing a number of light bus models. The market share has increased significantly year by year. Products not only meet the domestic market demand, but also are exported to Vietnam, Thailand, Ethiopia, Bolivia, and other countries and regions. Kama Automobile insists on improving product quality, enhancing product competitiveness, and promoting the comprehensive development of all kinds of light and mini commercial vehicles through all-round innovations in technique, marketing, service, and management. Today, the journey of the new era has begun. Facing the once-in-a-century opportunities and challenges of new energy and situation of both international and domestic environment, Kama Automobile will adhere to the pursuit of excellent quality and performance as always, further expand the production scale, strengthen technological innovation, and develop into a first-class commercial vehicle manufacturer in China. Looking forward, Kama Automobile will bear in mind the original mission of the new era, ride the waves in continuous innovation and transcendence, and move forward all the way.